hi guys. So this is I'm Katie. I'm Kriti, and I put that name. I changed it with Katie, with my initials, and yeah, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to achieve this type of glitter, turquoise blue, turquoise black kind of glitter look, then keep watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button if you want to like my videos. Then, and if you do, even if you don't, then please do it, because it's just a free thing, you know. It doesn't cost you anything. So just please subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, so this is a new video where I'm gonna make a very different type of eye look, and it's a very black, smoky, silver eye look. And pardon me for the noise of there. And so मैं अपना base complete कर लेती हूँ फटाफट, and then I come back. Alright guys, so I have done the falsies, and I have done the primer, which is from Swiss Beauty, and I'm not gonna show you the base or the foundation, because I have used the same products, and they are there for my rescue. So you can see the eyelashes have not given me any problem today. God forbid मुझे कभी ना दे, और मैं प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि आगे भी ना दें. तो this is my base, and this is the primer I used. This is the Stove cream type primer, pearls. Alright guys, so I have done the contouring and the highlighting and everything, and I have put a lot of concealer over my eyes and wherever the darkness is, you know. And now I'm going for the foundation. Okay guys, so I have done my base, and I have done everything very quickly. So first I used the Swiss Beauty Pearls Stove Cream. It gave me a very sheen and a very nice glow underneath my foundation and concealer and everything. Then I concealed with the Age Rewind concealer around my eyes and wherever the dark spots and wherever the blemishes and the darkness were. And then I quickly took this. मेरे हाथ में यही आया फिटमे का Maybelline का foundation, and then I just applied all over the foundation. Then I did the contouring, because वो foundation से पूरी हट गई थी. Then I did the bronzing with this palette of NYX. I always use this, and इसे दिखाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. So I have done everything on the base. Now the last thing, but not the least, the coral blush of mine. I always use the coral blush, and it's just a blush brush. Yeah. So if you have a face of very round, then you have to make it sleek. And if you have very sleek face, then you have to make it fuller, you know. So as your requirement, you do your work. बस मेरे फेस के बेस मेकअप में यही एक चीज़ बाकी थी. And the highlighter which I'm gonna do in the lipstick. Okay, so today I'm going to make a very smoky silver type of eye, and for that I need black eyeshadow actually, which I can have in any palette. Black Love Control is Love Controls वाला palette का black powerful बहुत ही अच्छा. मैं थोड़ी blending brushes ले लेती हूँ. Flat brush, blending brush, yes, I really need them. Yeah guys, so these all are my blending brushes. So I'm quickly gonna take the black color, and I'm gonna put it. Should I show you this eye or this eye? So I'm going to take here the black color. And guys, wherever you go in the outer V, just let it dark. Let it be dark. Then slightly put that light. I'm very sorry for the vehicles, I'm very sorry. So put it all over your lid, okay? So it is gonna give you dark in the end and gray in the inner lid, okay? So the gray, you can see the black has become gray with the concealer and everything. Okay, so this is it, and this was, yeah, so this is it, guys. Now you can give a little more perception to the outer lid, you know, I mean, like the outer lid, the outer V, no, not the outer lid. And in the inner lid we have made the black color completely gray, right? And if you have a gray color with you, then you can put a little gray color over here also. And if you want to put a highlighter over here, this doggy is stupid. 1 second, guys, let me. So my dog was like completely irritating. Now the road vehicles are gonna irritate me. So everyone is irritating me. Yeah, so I was actually very busy, and then I was like, chalo, I just have to make a video, so I made a video. Okay, so if your concealer is not that concentrated and it's not that coverage full concealer, मतलब कवरेज वाला नहीं है, और उससे आप अंदर की जो लिड है उस पर ग्रे नहीं लगा पा रहे, तो आप ग्रे अलग से एक ग्रे कलर ले सकते हैं. लाइक आई एम टेकिंग दिस हेयर, दिस स्विस ब्यूटी आईब्रो पैलेट, and here I am taking the gray color. Okay, so I made this the black color gray. Okay, yeah, and even then, even if you feel that okay, it's not working, then take a white color, like completely very light color, and put it here in the inner lid. Okay, so this is gonna create the gray color for you, right? It is creating the gray color. Okay, so now we should give it to little Okay, so you can always do this with any eyeshadow of yours. और आपको करना ही चाहिए, तो आपको अपने आईज को थोड़ा सा प्रिसीजन देने के लिए करना ही चाहिए. really like the black color. हालांकि the look which I'm going for doesn't need a lot black. It needs a lot gray actually. Okay, so this is one thing. Okay. Yeah, so now not the least, I'm going to take silver color underneath the glitter actually. So silver color, where I'm gonna get silver. Okay, I guess in this color board palette I can get silver color. Silver in this. Okay, so I'm going to take the highlighter. I'm going to put it here. Yeah, it looks very much the same. Now it's time for the glitter. This lily has completely different type of glitter, and I'm using here completely different type of glitter. Oh, it's blue in sheen. Oh my god, why I did this? It looked very it looked very blue, guys. It's not looking the same, and I'm very irritated on my own self and why I use this now. Whether I'm gonna have some kind of silver, copper. Okay guys, whatever. So these are blue black eyes, which I was not looking forward to, but then this is a little twist in the tail, and you can use definitely the silver color, the silver color smoky eyes, smoky glitter eyes. So okay, fine. So it was मैं उस को ज़रूर शेयर कर दूंगी जिस किसी भी आई लुक से ये आई लुक मिलता हो उससे मैं ज़रूर शेयर कर दूंगी. एंड आई एम 7 minutes in the video. Now I complete everything. So both of my eyes have happened, and I put the liner on, and I did the define my eyebrows, and everything has happened. and I put mascara on. Okay, so I wanted to make a silver black eyes, but instead I ended up making turquoise black smoky eyes, and they are also looking good, you know, if you see so. And the last thing is that जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि आप बस ब्लैक कलर को लीजिए, उसे अंदर की तरफ ब्लेंड करते जाइए और आपको ग्रे कलर मिल जाएगा, एंड देन आप उसके ऊपर प्रेस ग्लिटर लग दीजिए, और प्रेस ग्लिटर लगने के बाद आपके हाथ कुछ ऐसे दिखने लगेंगे, क्योंकि आपके हाथों में बहुत सारा प्रेस ग्लिटर लग जाएगा. मैंने इस कलर बोर्ड पैलेट जो मेरे पास अभी अवेलेबल था में से बहुत सारे कलर्स ट्राई किए, जानने की कोशिश की कि वो किस कलर के हैं, बट किसी की शीन क्या है, किसी की शीन क्या है. तो I don't carry big palettes with me. So in experimental note, I'm gonna take this Maybelline New York matte ink, and in the color 70 Amazonian, and I'm putting this color. अगर ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा then I'm gonna replace it with this is a very nice brick color. And it looks really good, and I'm really apologizing for the vehicles, but what can I do? I have to make this video when the light is proper and when light is coming on my face, you know, unless you guys are not able to see me. Now lipstick हो गई, everything has happened. अब बस मेरा थोड़ा सा हाइलाइटर बचा है, और हाइलाइटर के लिए आई एम टेकिंग दिस स्विस ब्यूटी हाइलाइटर ओनली. अगर आप कहीं दिन के फंक्शन में जा रहे हैं या इवन रात के फंक्शन में जा रहे हैं, और अगर आप चाहते कि आपको एक बहुत ही अच्छा ग्लास इफेक्ट मिले, तो आप इस हाइलाइटर को यूज़ कर सकते हैं कहीं पे भी, जहाँ भी आप चाहें. कॉर्नर ऑफ योर आईब्रोज, ऑन योर चीक्स, एवरीवेयर एनीवेयर. इवन दिन में भी आप इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं विद मॉइस्चराइज़र एंड विद अ लिटिल बीबी क्रीम. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा अपने फेस को शाइनी करना है, इंटरव्यू में जाना है. आई एम गोइंग इन अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरव्यूज दिस डेज, सो आई नो दैट व्हाट impact the other person and what kind of impact we need to make in. Oh my god, I'm taking blush. No, please. Alright, I wanted to make something completely different, but I ended up creating completely different thing, so that is not a big deal. I always did that. I always do it in, and I always end up making something nice. Okay, not perfect but nice. Okay, see, if you have the glitter, pigmented glitter in the silver, then you can definitely make this eye with silver now, because I just give you the tutorial. So yeah, this is how my heatless curls look. कल तो I was just so I was so flushed out. I was so tired by everything, you know, to going on interviews and just making the other person rely on you that okay, yes, we are gonna I am able to do the things, whatever things you want me as an employee or something like that. Yeah, so that is completely different thing, and I have not made रियली 1 सेकेंड गाइस, मुझे कुछ करना था एक्चुअली, वो जो मैंने नहीं किया वो मैं कर लेती हूँ. Yeah, so this was also a part of this eye look. कि वो लोअर लैश में वाइट लगाती है, लाइक वाइट लाइनर लगाती है या जो भी लगाती है. या सो सो फॉल्सीज ने मुझे आज ज़्यादा तंग नहीं किया. दैट इज़ वन थिंग. या गाइस, सो if you're going on an interview, don't do this on your interview, because it is gonna be very bold for interviews. It is a eye look for a photo shoot or for modeling or something like that, for function of someone's wedding or someone's birthday party. I don't know. I'm never invited in birthday parties or in marriages, or even if I am an invitee, I don't go. I just hate going in social places. Seriously, I just hate going on social places. That is someone, that is my introverted soul of my body. So जब आप वाइट लाइनर लगाने जाएंगे, आपका मस्कारा उड़ सकता है, वाइट हो सकता है. सो प्लीज लुक एट दैट. सो या गाइज, I think this lipstick is looking good because I have gone really bold. The summers are like on us. Oh my god, they are like completely like crazy. I don't want to make this video very long, so you can see my eyes, and I'm very happy that I made these eyes. No, actually these are not the color I was looking for, but whatever. Turquoise black smoky eyes look as good as the silver smoky eyes would look. Okay, so दिस वन इज. अगर आपको वो थोड़ा सा वी शेप चाहिए तो आप उसको अपने लाइनर से भी बना सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा वी शेप, और जिसके अंदर आप ब्लैक करते जाइए और अंदर तक ग्रे कर दीजिए. सो दैट इज़ वन थिंग. एंड yeah guys, so this is it.